Hello guys, in this section we are going to make a custom Android app for automating some devices. I assure you at the end of this section you will be able to make your own Android app for automation via Bluetooth connection. First of all, I am going to write an Arduino sketch for controlling an LED that is using HC-05 Bluetooth module. Okay, this is our Arduino IDE. As you know, our first part is setup part. We want to put our setup code there, and second is loop function. We want to put our main code there. Okay, at first I am going to declare a variable that is incoming value. It is a character variable and I am initializing it as 0. It is the value that we want to fetch from HC-05 module, that is Bluetooth module. Okay, next coming is our setup function. Okay, first of all I am declaring the baud rate as 9600. Okay, serial.begin 9600. I think it is enough. And now I am making the pin 13 as output pin. Okay, I am connecting the LED on the pin 13. We have an inbuilt LED there, Okay, next coming is the loop function where we are writing the core of our program. Here our program is to light an LED when the signal is 1 and the light should be off when the signal is 0. Okay, a signal is sent through the serial communication, as you know, and the signal is transmitted by HC-05 module. Okay, here I am giving if serial.available greater than 0. Serial.available returns the number of characters, that is bytes of data, which have arrived in the serial buffer and that are ready to read. Okay, here it is given if any data is arrived at the serial buffer, then continue to the below program. Okay, now I am fetching the serial data and placing it on variable incoming value. Okay, next we want to define what should happen according to the data we received. Okay, now I am checking if the arrived value is 1, that is character value, and logical operation if incoming value equal to 1, that is logical operation, and the 1 is taken converted to ASCII values. Okay, and digital write if incoming value equal to 1, then digital write 13 high. That means we want to make the 13th pin up. Okay, 13th pin high, and else if next condition is else if incoming value equal to 0. If the incoming value is 0, then digital write 13 comma low. Okay, that means if the value arrived is 0, then the light should be off, so we are giving it low. Okay, we are making the pin low. Okay, that's all. Now our program is finished. Now we want to upload this program to our Arduino. Okay, before uploading the sketch, we can move on to making our Android app. Just Google MIT App Inventor. Okay, there you get MIT App Inventor's official site. Just click on it. And now we are at the official site of appinventor.mit.edu. Okay, now just click on create apps. Now we want to sign up to MIT. I have already done it, so I am just signing into MIT. Now we have arrived to our project panel. I have already done a project there. You can see LED. Okay, it had directly taken to my old project, that is LED. Don't worry, just click on my projects and start new project. Okay, now give a name for your project. Okay, I am just giving here automation. And just click on OK. Okay, now you can see a new window appears. With an Android phone's image, you can change the display size of your phone there. Okay, now you can select your display size there, font size, tablet size or monitor size. On the left side, you can see user interface list with a bunch of user interface components, buttons, checkbox, date speaker, image, label, list speaker, list viewer, notifier, etc. Here you have two views, that is designer view and blocks view. You can see on the top right. Now we are on the designer view. I am switching to blocks view. On the left side you can see control, logic, math, text, list, dictionaries. I am just moving to designer. Okay, on the top you can see the screen name as screen 1. We can change it. Just navigate down. Okay, you can see the title as screen 1. I am just changing the title as automation. Just click anywhere. Now you can see it had changed to automation. You can see the title. Now I want to change the background color of my app. The default color is white. Okay, as darken mode is trending, I am just giving it black. Yes. Now we need a list speaker for viewing the available Bluetooth devices and also to pair with our HC-05 Bluetooth module. Just click on the list speaker from the left side and just drag it onto the screen. Okay, now our list speaker is placed and we want to change its alignment. It's not looking good, you can see there. Okay, from the right side you can see the width. Just click on it, fill parent and okay. Now you can see it's filled on width. Okay, now I am going to change its default text, that is devices. I'm just giving it devices. You can see it's reflected there. Yeah, okay. Okay, now I want to place two buttons there, on and off buttons. For that I want to define the layout. I am giving horizontal arrangement. Just click on layout and horizontal arrangement, just place it. Okay, now you can see there. Just click on width and fill parent. Okay, now you can see it's filled on width. And yes, now we want to place our buttons. Just click on user interface button and just drag a button to the screen. Okay, first button is placed, giving the second button. Okay, it's not in an order. Just click on first button and changing its width to fill parent. Okay, here we need two buttons, on and off. I am just changing the text to on. Okay, now I am clicking on the second button and changing its width to fill parent. Okay, you can see it's perfectly aligned and changing its text to off. Second button is off. Okay, done. Okay, now I am going back to on button and changing its default color, that is background color, to green. Now I am selecting the second button and changing its background color to red. Okay, also I want to change the list speaker's color, background color as blue. Okay, now it's perfect. Now we need Bluetooth connectivity for our app. So just from the left side you can see connectivity and Bluetooth client. Okay, just click on Bluetooth client and drag it to our screen. Okay, from the right side, that is components list, you can see Bluetooth client is added. Also at the bottom of the screen you can see non-visible components, Bluetooth client. Okay, now our Bluetooth client is placed. Okay, now our layout designing is successfully finished. Now we want to switch to blocks view for programming. Actually we don't want to program anything, everything is written and we just want to place it accordingly. On the left side you can see screen 1. Just click on list speaker 1 and you can see there many blocks. First we want to select list speaker 1 after picking, and also we want to fetch before picking. Okay, just click on taking it before picking. Yeah, we got it. I'm just rearranging it before picking and after picking. Okay, now we want to define what should happen before the picking occurs. Just navigate to list speaker and select list speaker elements 2. Okay, and just place it on when before picking. Okay, now we want to define what the elements are set to. That we need the addresses and names of Bluetooth devices that are present. Okay, just navigate to Bluetooth client and select Bluetooth client addresses and names. Okay, and place it on the list. You can see on the second block we want to define what should happen after the picking, and navigate to list picker selection 2. Okay, Okay, we got it, and just place it to when after picking. Okay, now the selection also happened. Now we want to connect it to that address. Okay, for that just search a Bluetooth client. Okay, Bluetooth client connect. Okay, dot connect address. Okay, just browse it and just okay, I got it, and place it to set list speaker 1 selection 2. Okay, after calling it we want to select that address. Okay, so search for list speaker 1 selection. Okay, I got it and placing it over there. Yep. And after the selection we want to change the text to okay, just search for list speaker text to. Okay, list speakers text to. Okay, I got it. Now I am placing it. Yes, okay, placing it here means after the selection of the Bluetooth device we want to change that text to first we have given the devices. Okay, now we want to change it. Okay, now search for text, and on the first side you can see inverted commas, double inverted commas you can see there. Okay, there we want to give our desired text. I am giving it paired. Okay, I am changing the name as paired. Okay, so after the pairing the name of the list speaker we changes from devices to paired. Okay, now we want to define our buttons, that is button 1 and button 2 on and off. Okay, now just click on button 1 and from there first you can see when button 1 click then do. Okay, just place it on the screen. Okay, and just click on button 2 and select same, that is when button 2 clicks then do what. Okay, now we want to define what will happen if the button 1 clicks. Okay, if the button 1 clicks, then it want to send a text, that is 1 to the HC-05 module, that is Bluetooth module. Okay, like that when we click the button 2, then it want to send a 0 to the HC-05 module. Okay, then the light will be off. So just click on Bluetooth client and we want to search for Bluetooth client send text. Okay. Okay, I got it. I am just placing it over there. Yeah, it is placed, and as the text and now we want to change the text. Okay, just click on text and okay, taking it, placing it over there, and I am changing the text, that is giving it 1. Okay, that means on condition. Okay, now I need a duplicate copy of that block. I'm just right clicking and selecting duplicate. Okay, now I got the duplicate copy and placing it on the second block. Okay, and changing the value from 1 to 0, that is off condition. Now our coding part is completed. I'm just navigating to designer part, that also completed. Now you can see two buttons there, on and off. When we click on the on button, then our mobile will send a signal of 1 to our Arduino by a Bluetooth module, that is HC-05 module. Like that, if you press off button, then it will send a signal 0 to the Arduino by a Bluetooth module. Okay, I hope you understand. Congrats! Now your app is completed and now you want to export it. For building the app, just click on build. There you have two options. There you got two options. That first one is you can either scan the QR code and download it from your mobile phone, and the second option is to download it directly to your computer and then copy it to your mobile phone. Okay, now I am clicking on the second option, that is save.apk to my computer, that is Android application format. Just clicking on it. You can see it's compiling. Okay, you can see a message there, that is the APK file will be saved in the download folder, that is the file will be downloaded. Okay, now you can see there our file is downloading, that is automation.apk is downloading there. Okay, after downloading, just copy it to your mobile phone and install it. Okay guys, now we can make our connections. Okay, first of all we need Arduino Uno. Here I am taking Arduino Uno, but you can use Arduino Nano or any other microcontrollers. HC-05 module. Okay, an LED. A 220 ohm resistor for protecting the LED, breadboard for prototyping, and some jumper wires for the connection. This is our HC-05 Bluetooth module. It has 6 legs, you can see here. We can just ignore first and the last pin, that is state and enable pin. Third pin, that is TXD, is connected to RX of Arduino, that is 0th pin. You can see there a digital pin 0. Okay, here the second pin, that is RX is connected to TX of Arduino. That is first pin, that is the digital pin 1, you can see there. GND is connected to ground of Arduino and VCC is connected to 5 volt of Arduino. Okay, now make the connections using jumbo wires. Here I am using male to male and male to female jumbo wires for the connections. Okay, now I have successfully connected my Bluetooth module to Arduino. Okay, now connect the LED to digital pin 13 of Arduino. We have an inbuilt LED there. Also, make sure that TX and RX of Bluetooth module is not connected to Arduino at the time of uploading. Else it will create errors and will not get uploaded. Now we can upload the program. Okay, compiling. Okay, now the sketch is uploading. Yes, uploaded. Okay, now I am connecting back the TX and RX wires, that is transmission and receiving wires. Okay, now I have connected the wires. You can see the LED is blinking. That is because we have not connected to any devices yet. Okay, now I am turning on the Bluetooth of my mobile phone. I have already installed the app and I am just opening it. Light class automation, a list picker, and also 2 buttons. Okay, now I am just clicking on devices. You can see list of Bluetooth devices. Okay, we need HC-05. Okay, HC-05. Okay, now you can see it is showing paired. Just clicking on button. You can see the LED turned on. And also you can notice that the LED on the module stops blinking because it is paired with my mobile phone. Okay, I am clicking the off button. You can see the LED turned off, on, off. Okay, on, off. It's working perfectly. You can see here. Also, you can notice that the built-in LED of Arduino Uno is turning on and off accordingly. That is because we have connected our LED to digital pin 13 of Arduino. Okay, now I am just turning off my Bluetooth. Okay, now you can notice that the LED starts blinking on the Bluetooth module. Okay, now I am making some changes to our app. Changing the background image, uploading a file, choose a file. Okay, I'm just giving my company's logo, Android Tech. Okay, just open this, uploaded. Okay, and just uploading. Okay, other than LED, I am going to add a relay module for running a fan, a DC motor. Okay, now I am adding 2 buttons, that is for making the fan turn on and off. I am renaming the buttons to fan on and fan off and changing the color of buttons. Okay, now we want to move to blocks for the programming. Okay, now you can see 2 more buttons are added, that is button 3 and 4. Just click on button 3 and you can see when button 3 click do. Okay, just drag and drop. So we want to send a text to something. Okay, so I am just duplicating the Bluetooth client. Okay, just duplicating it and fixing it to. Okay, and just changing the text. And in the sketch I am giving here 2, so I am renaming it to 2. Again I am duplicating it. Okay, I am just embedding it to second code. Okay, now I am just changing the value to 3. Okay, and now I am moving to designer mode and just renaming light on and light off. Okay, Now I want to build my app, so I am just clicking on build and app, save.apk to my computer. Here is our sketch. I am making some small changes. Okay, I am adding two more conditions, else if condition, incoming value. Okay, I am changing the values of incoming value, that is 2 and 3. Okay, if 2 is encountered, then the fan will be on, and if 3 is encountered, then the fan will be off. Our relay module is a active low component, so we must give low to make the relay on. I am planning to fix my relay module on digital pin 5, so I am giving here 5. I am setting here 5 as output. Okay, so now I am uploading my program. I'm connecting to HC-05 module. Okay, it's connected. Turning on light. Okay, you can see here, turning off, turning on, turning off. Okay, fan on. You can see the fan is running. Turning off. That's good. I hope you enjoyed this section. If so, please like this video, and also if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it. Thank you.